Yeah. Can't nobody love you like me. Terima segala kurangku. Yes, 99.6 Radio Almarkas, sahabat Almarkas, wherever you are, welcome back to BMC Corner English Discussion. Yeah, with me, RD Sam. Of course, yeah, start from 16 p.m. Yeah, until 17 p.m. Of course, 1 hour. We are back here. And of course, as I usually, I'm not alone here in BMC Corner English Discussion. We have a friends from another part. Yeah, from Bemsi, of course. And before we are going to talking about our topic for this afternoon, I would like to invite them, our guests for today. Who are they? I would like to invite them one by one to introduce themselves. What is his or her name, where they live, what their hobby, and etc. And yes, we will go to our guest for this afternoon. Hi, please use this mic. Hi, hello.
Hello.
Oh, hello. Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon.
Good afternoon. How is it going? How are you guys?
Yeah, it's fine.
It's
Alhamdulillah.
fine. What about you? Good. What about you?
I'm pretty good.
Oh, pretty good. Oh, wow. Give a applause first for us. Yes, Sahabat Americas, wherever you are, here we go. Please introduce yourself. What is your name? Where do you live? What is your activity? And what is your hobby? Please.
Hi guys. Hello. I'm Monty.
Mm-hmm.
As my friends usually call me Monty.
Monty.
My friend call me Monty.
I-
That's my name actually.
Okay. Your cousin is Ali Ali?
Ah, no.
Sorry, kidding.
Okay.
Continue, continue.
I live in Rajawali Street in beside Chepe. If you know, you know.
Yeah. I'm sure.
Now my activity is I'm a last semester student
Mhm.
in State Polytechnic of Ujung Pandang.
Mm-hmm.
And my hobbies is now I really like to do exercise because I have regular exercise. It's martial art and just
Ooh, martial and Pancasila. What about traditional games?
traditional games.
Mhm.
Oh my god, I'm not kids anymore. Maybe playing more games than traditional games.
Oh, okay. So, what is your role in BEMSI?
I'm as participant.
Participant.
Yeah.
So, how do you think about the BEMSI itself?
Oh my god. This organization is coming. It's really
Mhm.
important for me because
Mhm.
I've learned a lot from dancing.
Mhm.
And yeah, because as you know, in my environment, I really difficult to meet someone can speak in English. So I was confused.
Mhm.
Oh, I have what to do to do
Mm.
practice because it's really difficult to meet someone can speak in English like
Ooh,
and
okay.
I can meet this environment in BAMSI.
Okay.
And so I really interesting to join in BAMSI.
Uh-huh.
I was attending the meeting in
Mhm.
BAMSI activities. It's really exciting.
Like offline meeting, yeah?
Like offline or online meeting.
And online also.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
And now you are here in
Yeah,
this
and
podcast.
I was attending the BAMSI
Okay,
meeting.
thank you.
Yeah.
Keep your statement. I move to you, the most beautiful here.
Thank you.
Okay, please introduce yourself to Sahabat Al Marquez. Yes, we call Sahabat Al Marquez, not listener. Sahabat Al Marquez. What is your name? Where do you live? What is your hobby? And what is your activity? Please.
Okay. Hi, sahabat
Al Marquez.
Markas.
Yes.
My name is Dian. So
Like Dian merayap like
yes. Actually, I'm a housewife
that. Mhm.
and as a yoga practitioner and yoga
Wow.
teacher.
Mhm.
So I live in Makassar in Jalan Deng Tata Street.
Mhm.
Yeah. My hobby is eating,
Mhm. Eating.
watching TV or on Netflix.
Mhm.
Yeah, and I love to clean.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, sahabat Marquez, she loves cleaning.
Special hobby. Yeah.
Oh my god. So what is your role in BEMSI?
I am as a participant.
So what do you think about BEMSI itself?
Um,
Yes. Uh-huh.
when I first time joined in BMC,
Mhm.
I feel like my English more good
Mhm.
because I am more confident with my English.
And more impact.
Yeah, the impact is I still learning English because I'm joined the group. Yeah, MC.
Okay, thank you. Keep your statement. I'll be back to you. Okay, next. Long time no see you, Kalimantan
Thank you.
people, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, please introduce yourself to sahabat Lomarkas. What is your name? What is your hobby? Where do you live? Yeah.
Well, my name is Saldi Wiradana. I'm 24 years old. Now I work as a technician in South Kalimantan,
Oh, wow.
specifically in Kota Baru.
Kota
Yeah,
Baru,
which
Gunung,
is
yeah.
which is known as Saranjana. You know the I guess
There?
yeah, yeah, yeah. No,
Saranjana.
it's like a rumor, but
Okay.
basically it's not really it's not really spread to the place.
Okay.
It's only a rumor for me.
Ah.
And also my hobby is playing football, and also as a man,
Mhm.
playing a mobile game, it's like Mobile
Mhm.
Legend and so on.
Mm.
And then I live
As a
in
man, yeah,
yeah,
but not playing Barbie.
and
Kidding. Sorry.
yeah,
Uh-huh.
and live in Barombong. Yeah,
Barambang.
yes, that's the famous one, right?
Okay, so
Stadium.
what is your role in BMC?
My role is as a participant in BMC.
So what do you think about BMC itself?
I guess that BMC has a lot of activities, right?
Yeah,
Especially
yeah.
BMC has a media, which is
Mhm.
basically we cannot find this kind of media in other community.
Ooh, brilliant! Oh my
Yeah.
God,
It's one
this
of
is a magnet, yeah.
yeah, of course, of course.
Magnet.
It's one of the
The one and only,
interesting
yeah,
things.
the one and only in South
Not
Sulawesi,
only that, but
in East
also
Indonesia.
yeah,
Mhm.
not only that, but also many activities, right? As a
Okay.
visiting and so on. So it's one of the things that probably the teenagers will will interest to join in PMC, especially me.
Okay. Yes, guys, giving a plus first. Okay, thank you. Okay, in here, BMC Corner, in BMC British English Meeting Club Indonesia, we have a tagline. If Master of Ceremony of if host say to you guys, BMC, all of you say more fun, more confident, more impact. Ready for that?
Yes, right.
Okay, let me check. Okay, 1, 2, 3. BMC! More fun, more confident, more impact. Okay, once again, let me check. BMC! More fun, more confident, more impact. Yay, giving applause. Yes, okay, it's my promise to you, Sahabat Americans, wherever you are, that I would like to spill our topic for this afternoon. And our topic for this afternoon is street foods. Ooh, street foods. Are you ready, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, guys, talking about the food, talking about the drink, talking about the everything that can, how to say, inside to our metabolism. Of course, like a health food and interesting food, something like that, the traditional, modern, and something like that. We were talking about the people selling on the street. Yeah, in bahasa street foods, we can say in bahasa jajanan pasar, jualan di pinggir jalan, something like that. So, Mamti, how do you think about the unique topic for today? This topic is simple but unique. How do you think about it?
Oh, we talk about street foods. We talk about different setting, maybe.
Yeah.
It's the interesting topic
Mm-hmm.
because I was buying some food,
Mhm.
street food.
Okay, really?
Yeah, it's
Uh,
good.
What is that?
Like crepes,
Ah, crepes. No, crepes in which one crepes do you mean?
like traditional crepes.
I think in SpongeBob crepes.
Oh,
Different, yeah.
crepes.
Crepes, yes, I see. I know.
Yeah, but we don't have. We cannot eat too much.
Mm.
Because we don't know about the hygiene,
Oh yeah.
but
Mhm.
the contents of the food, we
Mhm.
don't really know about that. So we can reduce
Mhm.
the eat street food. We
Mhm.
can picky to eat
Mhm.
street food. Like we can see from the selling.
Mhm.
Like if you want to buy something,
Yeah.
we can see, we can saw about how to they make it.
The process. Okay.
gain or
Oh.
become famous.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. So, in out of the topic, talking about street foods. But before you come here, how do you feel? How do you think for the first time get invitation to come in Babesy Corner? How do you feel?
Actually, for the first time, I put English.
Oh,
Yeah, because I
okay.
don't really fit for my English.
Oh.
It's not really enough to attending this podcast.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I gain my confidence on BMC.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I learned BMC.
Mm-hmm.
We're talking together.
Mm-hmm.
We learn together.
Is this your first time to come to media, especially for radio? Really? Oh wow.
Excited. I'm like excited to attending this meet this podcast because this is my opportunity to get something
Yeah, golden opportunity. Okay.
to get a new relation like them.
Uh-huh.
It's a really great person.
Uh-huh.
Really grateful to be here.
Okay, thank you. Want to give yourself. I move to Kadian. So, what is your reaction when you, for the first time, get invitation to come to radio, but different media again and again and again? Yes. How do you think?
Special for Radio Almarcas. This is my first time uh, in here, yeah?
To come inside to the area,
Yeah.
the area or the to radio,
The,
all of.
the, oh,
Oh wow.
yeah.
So, what is your impression?
I didn't know they have the radio here.
Oh really?
Yes,
Okay.
but
Uh-huh.
I love it. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
So what is your reaction when I offered to you the change to come here to broadcast? Did you ever imagine that you will present and the people can watch you, not only listen?
I am very excited.
Uh-huh, uh-huh,
But
uh-huh, uh-uh,
yeah,
uh,
something
okay.
that's okay because it's joining the PMC.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Disciplining
Uh-huh,
PMC people
uh-huh.
to like a role model for all.
Oh yeah, yeah. Asik. Uh-huh. Okay. So I mean, like you appreciate about the change about the opportunity. Okay. So how do you think about the topic itself, street foods? Because you are a mother, of course, you are very close with Jajanan Pasar, right? Then. Yes.
Ask
Okay, as a woman.
to buy about the food.
Bukan lagi.
Very love cats, food,
Mhm.
anything food.
Uh-huh.
That's why I think it's very interesting. Yeah, about street food.
Street foods.
Every day,
Mm-hmm.
as a woman,
Every morning
every morning, like
when you wake up.
bubur ayam,
Okay. Ah.
bakso is favorite for women.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Every area.
Makassar, yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Because the special we here in Makassar, Makassar is famous about the food.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Kota makan enak ya.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
That's why I think it's very interesting.
Okay, keep your statement. We will be back to you. Okay, I move to you.
Yeah.
Aldi. Because in the previous Alden came here, now you are here. Maybe, yeah, as for your information, they are twins. Yeah. So here is different. In the previous episode, also different. He is Aldi, and the previous episode is Alden. So, um, welcome to Makassar. Welcome back. So, how do you
Thank you very
think?
much.
How do you think to present to show yourself again in media but different place? What is your reaction when you got invitation from me?
Well, first of all, I'd like to say thank you for inviting me to
Yeah.
be in here, and
Mhm.
also uh, my reason why I'm so happy with this because Almarcas is actually nostalgic place for me
Oh,
because I
nostalgia.
learned a lot of things from Almarcas.
Uh-huh.
Because and it's very good to have discussion with the intellectual person here,
Mhm.
intellectual person,
Mhm.
and then this is actually my golden chance to improve my English speaking
Mhm.
because I haven't been learning English for like several years. When
Oh yeah.
have been in Kalimantan, so that's why
I think you have English communities there.
it's not like English community. It's kind of like my
For
circle, my
internal,
circle.
for internal.
Yeah, for my internal
Ah,
community, but not
that's
like
great.
like PAMS, no. It's kind of like
Mm.
my friends.
Because no
kind of my
time, yeah,
circle.
no time to build English
yeah, of course.
community there.
So I came here because this is actually my opportunity to learn English more and more.
And especially how to say now you speak in and again like in the previous when you come to the media and now you come to the media again, so this is the digital record for you, right? Digital
Yeah.
branding. Okay, so how do you think about the topic itself, street foods?
Yeah. Well, I guess that food is actually our daily needs, right?
Yeah.
And if talking about the street foods, I guess that, yeah, especially for the teenagers, for me,
Mhm,
we are used to buy street food,
mhm, mhm,
because street food is not only our like our daily needs, but also our branding,
mhm.
like if you find the famous street foods like franchise, like
Mhm.
Gachuan and so on, you
Gotcha.
tend to upload on your social media
Uh,
just because of they have their authentic food.
mm,
Then we upload to the social media, so
mm,
it's not actually food, but it's also the authentic of food itself.
mm,
But there are probably weaknesses of the food itself. First one is like what brother mentioned before,
yeah.
that hygienist of the food itself,
Mhm.
we cannot guarantee compared to the famous one like franchise,
Yeah.
Gachuan and so on, and like Momoyo
Mhm.
and so on. They have their hygienist
Mhm.
food, because of they guarantee their customer to buy this product itself, compared to the street food in pasar Ciri and so on.
Mhm.
They cannot guarantee their hygienist because they sell in the side of street,
Mhm.
so that way probably it contains a lot of bad things that
Mm.
probably we don't know the contents of the food itself.
Mm.
So street food is actually our understand our interesting food.
Mhm.
Like we can buy something that we like.
Yeah.
And also and then street food is actually more like Western food, right?
Mm.
Like Thai tea and so
Mhm.
on. It's not like traditional food anymore.
Mm.
It's kind of like Western food that you can find in several.
And nowadays they are mixed between modern and traditional.
Yeah.
So which one do you choose? The traditional or the modern one?
For me, I like
And why?
The modern one,
The modern one.
because mostly my friends,
Why?
tends to buy
Why?
the modern one.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's rare to find the traditional one,
Why you choose the modern one?
because my circle, right, my environment, tends to buy
Ah.
that. If I back to
Okay.
my home,
So you didn't choose like putu, songkolo bandang, sa tari-taripang, something like that.
it's only my family. Yeah, when I gather in my family,
Roko-roko unti, doko-doko, yeah?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
yeah, it's for when I gather with my family. So probably I eat this kind of food. But
Uh,
if my friend, I think it's different food. It's actually,
okay.
modern food.
Okay. Thank you. So I move to Guardian. So which one do you choose? Which one do you prefer? Traditional one or modern one?
When I was
And why? When you was the young. Okay. You're still young.
choose the modern.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
When you was young
Yeah.
until now?
No. Yeah, but
No.
I am getting old. Yeah.
Mhm.
I choose the traditional.
Oh, really? Why the why the transition is changed?
Because for my health,
Okay.
I eat the ingredients.
Mhm.
Health.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, uh, what kind of traditional one do you like? I mean, like the cake, like
Cake is modern food.
not really, because a lot of traditional.
That's a so
Oh, songkolo bagadang. Not like that. Songkolo. Why do you like? Oh, ya barang to.
yeah, like
Kata risala.
like that.
What about tari-taripan? Do you know?
I love the sweets. The sweet.
Putu
Yeah,
cangkir, putu how to say yang putih in the white
Yeah.
putu? Putu tongka.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And I really love the favorite one is the green food,
Mhm.
but the middle is like white. I
Okay.
know the putu cantik, putu cantik.
Oh, cantik, putu cantik.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I really love the food.
Cantik manis.
Cantik manis.
Because it's more health, right?
Yeah.
Okay, the traditional. So, in when you was young, you say
Yeah.
you told us which one the modern one do you eat?
I cannot tell.
Junk food,
Junk food.
like
Because it's very simple. You can buy where you go and they have the place. And you can join with your friend and more fast.
like bakso bakar maybe something
I
like that.
don't really love maybe burger,
Burger,
yeah,
pizza.
pizza.
Mm,
Yeah.
okay.
But
So now you love the traditional one.
because it's sweet.
Basang, yeah.
Yeah. So I made it.
You made it.
The basang. Yeah.
Let's go to Kak Dian houses.
Welcome.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Monty, which one do you choose, the modern one or the traditional, and why?
I prefer choose modern one.
Modern, oh,
Yeah.
yes, yeah. Why?
Because the flavor it's more variative.
Okay,
Yeah, the flavor is more variative. Like we can
like crabs,
yeah, like
yeah.
crepes. We a lot of variation of the
Mhm,
flavor.
mhm, mhm,
Like we can try the green tea flavor,
mhm.
chocolate flavor.
Nasi bakar.
Yeah, something like
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
Yeah, nasi bakar. Nasi bakar now is modern because in
Yeah.
the traditional there is no nasi bakar.
Yeah.
Nasi
Sure.
bakar is innovation
Yeah,
actually. Yeah.
innovation.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
like pancake a lot.
Tahu Sumedang.
I don't make sure.
Yeah. Oh, itu sebenarnya is traditional ya.
Yeah.
Traditional ya. Okay. Okay. Why? Because it's more practice, more easy to.
Yeah, more practice, more easy, and the flavor is more variative.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which one, the concrete one, do you
I love.
sometimes frequently you eat?
I love kebab. Yeah, I love kebab,
Mhm.
burger, and like persuki-sukian like that.
Suki-suki.
Yeah, we can meet in cheat time
Mhm.
like that.
Sorry, Citayam.
Cheat time like cheat time. We can meet. We can easy to find in Pasar Cido.
I think Citayam Fashion Week.
Nah.
Citayam. Okay.
Yeah, I love that.
Okay, give it a plus. Okay, I want to check your spirit, guys. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Bemsi, more fun, more confident, more impact. Hey, okay, keep your statement, guys. Yes, sahabat Amarkas, wherever you are, still we are here, yeah, in Bemsi Corner English discussion. But don't go anywhere. Station A 99.6 Bemsi Corner English discussion after commercial break. Yes, welcome back to BMC Corner 99.6 Radio Almarquez, Sahabat Almarquez, wherever you are. Yes, we continue our discussion and the topic is street foods. Yes, hi, giving applause. How are you guys? How are you?
Fine.
Fine, still good. Okay, what is my last question? Do you remember, guys?
What?
Did you remember my last question? Okay, you're the last speaker, right?
Okay.
And I asked which one do you choose, the traditional or the modern? It means that I switch and I change my question now. Okay, talking about the street foods, of course, there is a strengthness, there is a weakness, right? Okay, I start from you. Okay, what is the strengthness of the street foods? What is the advantages? What is the benefit? What is the positive about street foods itself? Because everything has two sides. Ya, segala sesuatunya punya dua sisi ya. What about the street foods itself?
Well, I guess the street food, especially for the positive one.
Yeah.
You know, street food is actually is instant food. You can
Mhm.
buy anywhere. Then you
Mhm.
can find wherever you are.
Okay.
Then you can easily to buy when you use like the application. You can find it.
Oh,
application.
yeah.
So that's actually the benefit one. Like
Okay.
if you are hungry, then you can find the instantly
It's
food.
very easy to access. Yeah, to
Yes,
get.
of course, yeah.
Okay, only in your hand. On your gadget, I mean, yeah, in your application, right? Mm-hmm. What else?
What else? For me, I
More
guess,
cheaper, maybe.
yeah,
Cheaper.
somehow cheaper. You know,
Yes,
several foods is
cheaper and cheaper.
cheaper. Yeah. And
Okay.
probably the modern one, you know, the modern food, you know, they have their authentic food, right?
Mhm, mhm,
Yeah, like I mentioned before, like we can upload on social media, right?
mhm,
Like,
mhm.
oh my God, that's good.
Uh,
That's spectacular food.
Tahu bulat. Did you ever eat
Tahu bulat.
tahu bulat digoreng dadakan 500?
I guess
You never, right? You never ate
I
the
forgot,
Sunda, the Sunda
food.
foods. But there is in Makassar tahu bulat, but it's seldom, yeah, very seldom.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So what about you, Kadian, as a housewife, as a woman,
Yes.
you have a children. What is the benefit? What is the strengths or the advantages about the street foods?
Street food. Um.
DJ?
Here's what I said.
Uh-huh.
Because as a mother,
Uh-huh.
we have to need prefer the good
Uh-huh.
food
Okay.
actually. But sometimes when we busy,
Mhm.
we have to buy the
Yeah. The practice one.
practice one,
Okay.
modern food.
Mhm.
But when we have more time,
Mhm.
we can make the food at home.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So, what is the point? I mean, like, what is the benefit? What is the advantages? Yes. What is the positive side of the street foods? Because street foods it's very variative, and street foods there are two sides, but we were talking about the positive about street food itself. Like Aldi says, the street food it's more quick, it's practice first, cheaper, something like that, and mengenyangkan.
I agree.
So
I agree with
yeah,
you,
yeah.
but I don't really agree with the some point in like more cheaper
Okay,
because I think it's more expensive
which one is true? More cheaper or more cheaper?
or cheaper. Why I said it's more expensive because
Uh-huh.
the the when we buy the modern food, yeah,
Yeah.
maybe the practices is
Mhm.
yeah, but the expensive, I think yes.
Okay. Oh, it's depend. Yeah.
The when
Not
when
all.
you buy
Not all the street food is cheap, but
yeah,
sometimes they're expensive also.
when you buy the online,
Okay.
we have the price,
Mm-hmm.
the discount,
Mhm.
but we have the service. Service is expensive.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
that's
Uh,
why I think it's not cheap.
the extra cost, yeah.
Yeah.
You have to spend your the extra
When
cost
you
like
buy the ingredient something and you made making the food at home.
ongkir ya,
Yeah,
ongkir. Okay.
not expensive when you made by yourself, and we can get more more food,
Mhm.
yeah,
Mhm.
than we buy the online or the street food like that.
Okay, I got the point. Thank
Yeah.
you. Give your statement. I move to Monty. Okay. Um, talking about the street foods, what is the positive sides of the street foods itself?
Okay, the positive side, I think, yeah, as like my friend said before,
Is she your friend?
yeah, many
Yeah. Okay.
yeah, because the street food, we can easy to find street food in anywhere.
Mhm.
Wherever you go, you can
Mhm.
find them. Yeah,
For example, where?
where? When I
Carefree
was,
Day.
yeah, it's perfect. We can.
Oh my god,
yeah.
it's oh my god.
You can try
All the
Dubai.
packed.
Yeah, Dubai Chew. How to say Dubai Chew?
Huh? Hachu? Pikachu?
No, it's like
What
mochi.
is
It's like mochi.
Oh, mochi.
Yeah, it's like
You know mochi actually onde.
yeah on the
Yeah.
Japan version.
You know.
But it's more variative. The flavor
Uh-huh.
is more variative. That's why I said before.
Uh-huh.
I really prefer eat modern food than
Uh-huh.
traditional food because the flavor is more variation.
So what is the advantages, the benefit, the positive sides, the
It's like-
strengthness about the street foods itself?
Yeah, the positive side. Yeah, it's practice.
Practice,
Yeah,
more
practice.
variative.
More variative. We can
Uh-huh.
find a lot of flavor from
Mhm.
the street food,
Mhm.
modern street food especially.
Mhm.
Yeah, and easy to find just that.
And you know, like, how to say, to be, how to say, to be like, when you get hungry.
Yep.
How to say in English, Smart? How to say in English, sahabat Almarkas pengganjal perut. Yes, like
Yeah,
that, right?
yeah.
Street foods to be like pengganjal perut.
Yeah,
And if you just like made at your home,
yeah.
cannot answer you're hungry, right?
But actually, street food not just like snack, but
Mm-hmm.
street food can be my main course.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Like,
If I eat like meatball, I'm not
Okay.
eating rice anymore.
really?
Yeah, this is from carbo actually. So it's same like rice. So yeah, street food can be my main course.
Okay, so we talking now about the contrast or the opposite. Yeah, we talking in the previous question. We talking about the positive, yeah, advantages, benefit, and now we're talking about the weakness or the negative or the unbeneficial of the street food itself. On your perspective, what is the negativity or unbenefits and negative sides with the
Maybe
weakness? How do you think about it?
for the first, maybe I would say like we don't know about the ingredients, it's
Oh, yeah.
healthy or not,
Uh-huh.
it's hygiene or not.
Mhm,
We don't know the contents of the food.
mhm.
So yeah, it's the really
Might
problem.
make you diary.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
can make us disease maybe.
This is
Yeah, stomach ache like that.
mhm.
And maybe I will say like it's more
Make you
expensive.
getting fat.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
It's more expensive than we made from our hand.
Okay.
Yeah, because if we're making some food in our home, we
Mhm.
can gain more
Mhm.
and more. Then we buy in the street food. Maybe it's more expensive,
Okay.
but more practice.
Okay, thank you. I move to you, Kadian. So this is the opposite, or the contrast. Yes, sesuatu yang berlawanan. Because in the previous we talking about the positive. Now we talking about the weakness.
Mm.
What is the weakness of the street foods?
Yeah, about the immune system.
Immune system.
Yeah, because when he said about the ingredients. We don't know,
Okay.
and where they
Maybe
making
they are
the
not
places.
gloves and just like how to say.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
but not all people making the food they cover the hair, something
Mhm.
like that.
Mhm.
So we must worry about that. Yeah.
Mhm. We cannot guarantee the health, yeah, the
Yes, of course.
ingredients.
Yeah.
What else? Do you still have any addition about the point?
No.
No.
Healthy, yeah. Healthy, guys.
You can give your statement.
Okay.
I'm up to you. We're talking about the opposite, the weakness, the unbeneficial about the street foods. On your perspective, how do you think about it? Which one?
Yeah. Well, if you eat regularly street food, so probably your food will be unbalanced, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because you eat regularly such kind of food which contains the
Mhm.
oil, right?
Yeah.
And that's pretty bad for us to
Mhm.
always eating regularly the street
Mhm.
food.
Mhm.
But you need to be uh consider what kind of street food did you eat. Probably if you eat street food in like the like the franchise
Mhm.
I think franchise is probably one of the guarantee your food because they have a good management of
Mhm.
their
Quality control
quality
also.
control and so on. So probably that's one of the good choice to buy street food. But
Mhm.
probably you can buy on the like on Pasar Ciro and so on, but you need to consider their management
Mhm.
of selling their product itself. So you
Okay.
need to be careful for buying the street food itself.
Mhm.
But of course, street food contains negative side because they have a lot of uh you know they are unhealthy food. Yeah, we
Mhm.
guarantee that they are unhealthy food.
Okay. Yeah. We move to the next question, Monty. Uh, I would like to ask, how do you think about the popularity of the Indonesian street food? Because recently a lot of content creator, special for foreigners, they make a content, but they make a content like street foods of Indonesia, like martabak manis, ya kan, martabak. It's different, martabak manis and martabak, and how to say, ubi goreng, something like that, ya kan, tahu tahu goreng, tempe crispy, something like that. On the street, all of about on the street, jajanan pasar of Indonesia, pisang goreng and etc. So how do you think about that phenomena? Content creator from West and they broadcast, they make a content about the local foods, especially for street food of Indonesia. How do you think about the content
I
creator?
think it's really good
Mhm.
because it's like they show our traditional food,
Mhm.
but in this era we have to improve our traditional food,
Mhm.
following the modern side in
Yeah.
the world. Like now martabak not just chocolate and keju,
Iya, iya.
but have a lot of variation of flavor.
Uh-huh.
Like we can got some martabak manis like with matcha.
Tiramisu.
Yeah, tiramisu, it's something
Mhm.
like that.
What about acha?
What?
Acha?
Acha?
Acha.
No. Yeah.
Tiramisu, matcha, and
Yeah,
bubble gum.
yeah, maybe taro or other.
Taro, ya.
Yeah.
Taro ada, taro gahu. It's different, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's very positive, yeah,
Yes,
because
right.
they can introduce our culture,
Yeah.
especially for our foods, yeah, to another word, something like that. It's very positive.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So, how do you think, Kak Dian, about the foreigner? They make a content about our street foods, and they got many viewers. Oh my God! Then our citizen.
I think it's good.
Mm-hmm.
Good for me because I love to watching.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I love one content from Aldi's Burger.
Oh my God! Don't promote.
No, I'm sorry because I really love him
Really?
because it's very interesting. The marketing,
Uh-huh. The strategy,
very
yeah,
much.
the strategy.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh-huh.
But I never tried the burger. But when I go to Jakarta, maybe I will try.
Aldi. Aldi. Okay, thank you. It's very simple. Okay, so how do you think about the content creator Aldi to make content about Indonesian food, especially for street foods?
Yeah. Well, that's a part of advertisement, right?
Mm-hmm.
They show our local food, traditional food,
Mm-hmm.
and they are so happy with our food. So that's we are welcoming to our food, right? Because our food is actually very famous, right? Especially for rendang, right?
Yes.
It's the number one of international food, right? Becoming international food. So
One
are
of
so-
the delicious food in the world. It's rendang.
yeah, rendang.
Yes.
This is number one, if I'm not mistaken, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this. I mean, we believe that the potential of our food is probably will change other international food, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, we can a bit pizza and so on because of our potential of our Indonesian food. But I guess that they will not get a disease by eating like street food because they have their own doctor, you know. So probably they can make this kind of content. They try to eat a lot of food, but they have behind that they have doctor to cure their disease for what they have consumed this product. Also, this kind of content creator prepare well for making a content.
Yeah,
So that
because this is talking about like culture, ya. They cannot speak out. Mereka nggak boleh asal ngomong gitu ya, about the composition, about how to produce, how to make it, because this is a local wisdom, kearifan lokal, ya. Okay, thank you. Give it a applause. Yes, talking about the street foods. Yes, which area always you visit and what you eat there? Did you eat like pisang ngepek maybe? Did you eat like mie titik maybe? Or pisang pepe? Or pisang hijau or what? Which one? Okay, I start from Monte again. Which one your favorite place to visit to eat the street foods? Which one?
I would say Pantai Losari, but no, because there is just pisang epek.
Uh-huh.
Maybe I will choose Pasar Ciduk.
Oh, Pasar Ciduk.
Yeah, there is a lot of variation of it there, so we can try a lot of kind of food.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Babsy go to Pasar Ciduk again. Okay, thank you. Okay, what about you, Kadian? Which one the area you visit if you eat street foods?
It's Gagak Street.
Gagak Street?
Yeah.
What is there?
Do you remember we eat the
Choto?
choto, guys? I very love choto.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So what about you? Which one area and what food do you
Yeah.
choose?
brother, yeah, Pasar Ciduk.
Pasar Ciduk also. Not not CPI, not Pantai Losari, not Waduk Pampang, not Gua, not Gua. So I'm sorry, the stadion in Sudiang, stadion Sudiang. There is a lot of street foods there, right? Yes.
I guess Sudiang is outside of country, yeah.
Or in your area in Barumpong.
In my area, I guess, yeah, it's kind of like franchise food.
Okay.
So it's rare to find like the variation of food.
Mhm,
It's only for like Yota
mhm.
and like some kinds of franchise food. So I don't really like to eat the franchise food. But I like to buy some kinds of food which is not which exists anything like pizza and kebab and so on. So
Okay.
they are available, all available.
And the point is ajak aku makan. Okay, so last one sentence for our topic for today. One sentence.
One sentence.
Yes. No, one sentence.
Sentence.
Maybe like wise sentence, maybe like idiom sentence, maybe like conclusion or final statement. Okay, one until two sentence.
Sorry.
Please use your
Well, sorry. Try to eat healthy food. If you like to eat street food, you need to combine with the healthy food. So your food will be balanced.
healthy inside, fresh outside.
Yeah.
Okay, what about you? Please give one until two sentence about our topic for today.
Don't eat faster. Eat clean.
Trust me, it works. Thank you. Thank you. What about you, Monty? Ano kesegaran? Very early. Okay, what do you think?
Yeah. Maybe I would say like, yeah, Just eat street food if you want,
Uh-huh.
because sometimes we need it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, sometimes we need it. We need instant food because sometimes we got lazy.
Some
lazy guy.
sour, some never.
Yeah, eating dim sum. It's famous one here now. Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys. Giving a plus for us. Okay, I would like to check once again your spirit guest. Take the mic, take the mic, take the mic. Okay, Bemsi. More fun, more confident, more epic. Yeah, okay, giving a plus once again. Thank you, Monty, for coming. Yeah, thank you, Kaden, for coming. Thank you, Aldi, for coming. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next session. Okay, see you. Bye bye. That's all our conversation or discussion about our topic for this evening, and the topic is street foods. That's all our discussion in BMC Corner English discussion. And always remember to watch and listen 99.6, especially for BMC Corner English discussion every Friday at 4 until 5 p.m. in Radio Almarkas, Sahabat Almarkas 99.6. See you for the next weeks. Bye bye. Good afternoon.